Webukeeredde Rose Kadaama Munnakenya asaanikidde intaneti oluvannyuma lw'okumala emyaka 6 ng'akolera bakaabe mu Lebanon nga alabirira bulungi nnyo abaana baabwe. Balina famiri y'abantu 5, balina abaana abo abalongo nga bw'obalaba abo abato, omwana omulenzi n'omuwala nga kw'otadde n'abazadde ababiri, omukyala n'omwami bambi. Babadde basiibula Rose mu maziga amangi nga tebaagala agende, abaana nga bamanyira Rose, abaana nga bamanyira omukozi nga tebakyayagala na kuwuliriza bazadde baabwe, baagala kugenda na mukozi. Naye I wish buli Muwarabu agezaako okweyisa obulungi. Osanga abantu oba osanga abakozi bangi bandibadde baagala okuba nga babakozesa oba nga tebabeekaanya. Kino kiraga nti Rose bateekwa okuba nga babadde bamuyisa bulungi okusinziira nga bw'olaba vidiyo abaana enkaabira gye bamukaabira. Bwe batyo mu maaso eyo bamutegekedde ne pate emusiibula era ogenda kubeera ng'obiraba mu maaso eyo yagambye Rose kamusiibula mu nnaku ey'ekitalo.
Come back if you're Rosie, you need to come back. We can't survive without you. Bring your kids with us and come. Really, bring them. تعال ماما بدك تروح روزي يا ميمي.
Thank you so much. You are a great person. You are one of our family. Thank you so much.
Bamugulidde cake, batimbye balloons, surprise. Mukazi wattu bamulaze omukwano kuba baneeno bakozi be bali famous, bali ba socialite. Ensonga lwaki bitrendinze bwe bityo bazze nga babipostinga. Mikwano embeera bwetyo buli katuyengeyo ne Farida Nakazibwe, naye ng'osobola okukozesa comment section okutuwa endowooza ku kutya bw'osanze video gwe bakamu bakusiibula bwe batyo, bakamu bakuyisa bwe batyo oba nedda. Farida Nakazibwe ali mu ssanyu, muwala we Kinza yamusurprisinze n'olugoye. Essanyu ly'omuzadde ogenda kubeera ng'obiraba, amwaniriza okuva ku ssomero. Jjukira olwamala ebibuuzo bya PLE n'agendako mu vacation e Zanzibar, planned kid. Banange essanyu gyereere kakulaga ate obeere nga obyerabirako.
Okay. Go and sit there. I don't carry big girls. So today we are officially welcoming back KK. We didn't get time to chat because immediately after exams they went for a small vacation in Mombasa and they just returned. Guess what? She got me this beautiful dress. Ndimu kujagana. Go muzadde. So Mama KK got me this. Mama sit. I want to show off my dress. So she got me this beautiful, just on time because lately I want to be free, wear such dresses. And here she was, Mama. I got you a surprise. So indeed, I'm surprised. Thank you, Mama. So we didn't get time to organize her suitcase and sort out the things that she doesn't need anymore since she's moving from one level to another. I'm sure there are things she will not need. For example, you need a blanket. You need the bed sheets because Mommy won't have taken upon herself, right? But do you need the uniforms?
Yes, Mommy. Obviously, Briella will have to go to school.
Does she go to your school?
What if she goes to Hillside one time? When she reaches this side.
So you're going to keep the uniforms until she gets to your size.
I'm going to stay in you.
My girl is starting up a primary section. So do we still have to keep them?
Yes.
You never know, they give back the You never know. So as a caring parent, you're going to sort these, soak them bulungi, and keep them when they're very clean. Eh? But this is what? Rust. What? Monica.
On the rails.
On the rails. So this is what we are going to be getting rid of, such things.
See, I got your house.
Okay, you get. We are going outside. We are going outside to wash. Mama, let me see your nose. Did you bring your hanky?
Yes.
Is it? Where is it?
In the back.
Everyone, Sarah.
Mommy, I can wash with my hands like this. Like that.
You can?
I can shake my hand like this.
You're going to show me?
Yes.
By the way, you're also going to show me how they peel. You, Bri.
Let me first peel like I peel like this.
Don't force that has to take us a whole holiday.
Mommy, we peel like this.
That's how you peel. But that's how you wash. Do you know how they peel? Bismillah.
Sugar.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
It's not sugar, Mama. This is Omo detergent.
Omo Detergent.
Detergent. Hey, bye. Detergent. Mama, bye. No. Mama,
Mommy.
By the way, this also goes to my fellow parents. Don't trust what your kids bring back. Zikebere bulungi. Abamu bakugamba nti mami nazirese zitukula nenga. Yes, yagazazaako okwoza naye ye ng'omwana judgment ye yamulaze embuwa lutukudde. Nenga bwolabye muzakkiriza nsanzemu some bit of stains because oluusi bwe baanika wansi on the grass, oluusi bateeka ku rails, oluusi waya nga tebagisimudde. So it comes with those stains, which this actually helps to get rid of. So don't trust what they tell you. At least confirm. Sorry, Mama. Confirm it and help them. Soak those clothes. Umanye nti zizeeyo mu case nga ki bali kushiwaddeyo mbuzi tukula bulungi nnyo. So at the beginning of term mumanya nti tugolola bugolozi. Okay. Keke. Webali kwoza mama nkulengera. What is this? You see that one? This is what I was telling you. So these come in bojiraka all through. This is a long time. This is a long holiday. We're gonna be there in February.
Mommy.
Sorry, Mama.
Mommy, can I also help you?
Thank you very much. Where is your hanky? You're supposed to soak it. Did you bring it? It would have been clean, but you see this chitoji?
Mommy, I also want to help you.
You see this? You see this? This is called a core, bizigo and all that. So continuous bizigo on a dress, moreover white one. This is what it causes at the end
Mommy,
of the
I
time.
also want to help
You need something special, as strong as Omo bleach, to get rid of this.
Mommy, I also want to help you.
Mama, you're going to help me, okay? Thank you for being a good girl. Thank you for being a what?
Good guy.
Yes.
nga tutuuse ku nkomerero nyongera kwebaza bwe yabala vidiyo yange to the end yemulaba obulango nga temubuskipinze. Nsiima nnyo mikwano, nsimira ddala nsaba Katonda abawe kyemusinga okwagala. Osobola okwemesa comment section otuwa ekyakuyiga kikyobikizeemu vidiyo ekunyumidde oba nedda, kiki kyewandiyagadde okuyisaawo oba okomentingako oba okwogerako oba kyeweemulugunyaako oba kyoteesaako. Kozesa comment section yonna mbeerayo nenzilikinga nenziramu onawo ne wabeera weetagisiza. Ate neyongera okubaza abo bonna abasubscribing, abaliking, abasharing, abacommending. Nsiima nnyo mikwano, nsiimira ddala. Neyongera okujjukiza nti okyali ku All Channel Media. Subscribe for more updates, like, share and comment. Teweerabira okunyinga notification bell obenga notified bwe nteekawo video empya.